In today's economy, having a skill that works is no longer optional, it is a necessity. One of the underrated yet highly profitable side hustle or business is the perfume, body spray, and roll-on production. Whether you want to start it as a side hustle or a full-time business, this business is flexible and it's full of possibilities. Hello everyone, welcome back to Bonnie's chat room. If you're new on this channel and you see me for the first time, I am taking you. You can call me TT. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, we talk about empowerment, we talk about skill acquisition, we talk about mentorship. So if this is the kind of content you like to watch, please go ahead and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get every update we make. Remember, you rise by lifting others. I rise by lifting others. Let's rise together. Now, one of the benefits in this business is because it has a high demand for fragrance. Now, a boy, a girl, a woman, a man, everybody uses roll-on. Everybody uses body spray. Everybody wears a perfume. So it's a product that always has a high demand. And if you're good at what you do, you are going to rise to the top because it's all about you giving the best out, having your brand sold to people. And before you know it, you are everywhere, you're in every shop, people are ordering for your product. It has a high demand. So it's not a business that you will go into and you start looking for customers. For example, I went for a summit some weeks back and someone brought a perfume. It was an entrepreneurship summit and all the entrepreneurs, they came with their product and someone came with a product. Very beautiful perfume and I had to buy it. I have perfumes in the house, but I had to buy it because the fragrance was just out of this world. Guess what? She'll be coming to our show sometime soon. So watch out for that video because she's going to teach us more on this perfume business. It's something you should embrace. Don't sleep on this. If you don't have a side hustle or you don't have a business to do, this is the kind of business you should go into. It is flexible and it is profitable. And from research, it is shown that it is easy to learn perfume production. It is easy to produce it. So it's all about determination. If you put your mind to it, that this is the business I want to go into, you learn it perfectly well, you are good to go. It's a business that is profitable and it is flexible. It is a competitive market, yes, but no one can stop your fragrance because your fragrance, it is your fragrance. Nobody can steal it from you. That scent that you have produced, nobody can steal it from you. It is yours and it is your market. So your clients will always look for you. So it's a business that you should embrace. If you do not have an existing business or you don't even have a side hustle to do, this is the kind of business you should think to start in this year. Now, this is the kind of business that has a long-term growth. It's not something that you will start and you expect to do everything at the same time. No, you can start with small bottles of oil perfumes. Then from there, you start making bigger bottles. Then from there, you move to roll-on. Then from there, you start body spray. So it's a long-term process. It's something that you grow from. People know you that, oh, she used to do oil perfume, small little bottles, but I think she has expanded. Oh, she has started doing body spray. She has started doing roll-on. So you grow from it. So it's a business that if you're determined to see it grow, you will watch it grow from step to step and boom, you're on your way to the top. So don't sleep on this. Embrace these business opportunities I'm bringing to you because these are ways of making legit money. Perfume production, body spray production, roll-on production is a smart and flexible business that anyone can start and grow. The market is wide, the demand is constant, and the profit is impressive. If you're thinking of a business to start this year, then this is the kind of business you should embrace. It will take a lot of hard work, determination, and time, but I bet you will grow in this business. So this is where we draw the curtains on today's edition. But before I leave, I want to tell you that in our next edition, we will have a producer of perfume and body spray come to tell us more about this business. So if you have a desire to start up this business or you have some questions, please watch out for my next video. And before then, if you have any question and you have any thoughts about this video, please go to the comment section and let me know. Also, if you found this video useful, please go to the comment section and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host, Titi Atutale.